Dana, ilan yung foreign POGO workers yung nakapasok sa Pilipinas at baka may updated number lang tayo ng umalis sa bansa at nag-downgrade ng kanilang visa?
Yes, sir. Doon sa latest figures from PAGCOR, ang mga foreign POGO workers that are working for online gaming companies under PAGCOR ay nasa 33,000. Ito po yung lahat ng legal na tinatawag na nagtrabaho po dito. 33,863. Doon po sa records natin, since they were given up until December 31 to downgrade their visas and leave the country, a total of 22,609 have already left. So ang ibig sabihin po niyan, meron po tayong naiwan na makukulit na hindi po umalis ng bansa. And yan po ang figures natin, 11,254.
So kung halimbawa lang Dana, no, kung nag-downgrade sila ng tourist visa from working visa, gaano katagal pa sila pwede magstay sa Pilipinas?
Yes, they were given up until December 31 to leave the country kasi as part of their winding down ng mga kumpanya, since nagsasara na yung mga online gaming companies, kailangan ding mag-downgrade at umalis ng bansa ng mga foreign workers na ito. So ang deadline po niyan is December 31. No extensions were given. Wala na pong extensions to at wala na po tayong aasahan na dagdag time pa because 6 months is already a long time given po para dito sa mga foreign workers na ito.
Anong mga hamon ang hinaharap ninyo ngayon sa paghahanap dyan sa more or less 11,000 na dayuhan na up for deportation na?
Yes, una yung sheer number that have yet to be located. Actually, ang pinag-uusapan pa lang natin dito ay yung mga foreign nationals that used to be legal here in the Philippines and now are being considered illegal. Wala pa dyan sa numbers na yan yung illegal na talaga in the first place. And we have been receiving intelligence reports na itong mga ilan sa mga foreign nationals na ito ay nagkakaroon ng parang mga breakaway operation instead of the usual of the previous na meron silang malalaking compound where there are hundreds or even thousands of foreign nationals na employees ay ngayon meron na lang silang maliliit na operations of less than 10 people in residential areas. So kahit yung mga kapitbahay nila, hindi masyadong naaalarma or nagtataka kasi paisa-isa lang ang nakikita nila sa paligid nila. But apparently, this is the parang ginagawa nila ngayon na modus to get away with doing their illegal activities here in the country.
Kumusta naman yung ugnayan nyo with PAOK at saka ibang law enforcement agencies para ma-implement itong deportation sa mga dating POGO worker?
Very close ang ating coordination with PAOK as well as law enforcement agencies. Malaki po yung naitutulong nila upang ilocate at arestuhin po itong mga foreign nationals na ito. Lalong-lalo na in terms of yung paglalagakan nila yung kanila pong mga detention areas because the detention area of immigration is very insufficient. Aminado po tayo dyan. Our detention facility can only house maybe a little bit more than 100, but the current head count is more than 300 na. Idadagdag pa natin itong 11,000 plus na ito. So the action really
walang paglalagyan, ano?
Wala na. And the action really is to partner with the local law enforcement agencies para makatulong po kasi this is a shared concern then since there are also local laws that are being violated by these considered illegal aliens. And malaki po yung naitutulong nila in terms of housing these individuals prior to deportation.
So Dana, paano makakatulong yung publiko sa ginagawa niyong manhunt operation?
Malaki po ang maitutulong ng publiko kung meron po silang alam na mga activities of foreign nationals in your areas, whether it be part of these illegal online gaming companies o kaya naman po other types of foreign nationals, please report it to the nearest immigration office, report it to the Bureau of Immigration para mahuli po natin sila. Malaki po ang naitutulong ng communities sa paglocate, lalo po kung nagtatago sila sa mga gated communities, sa mga condominium buildings na hindi basta-basta na-access ng law enforcement. Public vigilance is very important in this drive natin na mapaalis na po itong kino-consider natin na already a nuisance to our government. Ito pong online gaming na industriya na ito.
Alright, maraming salamat, Bureau of Immigration spokesperson Dana Sandoval.